For 1971, Go Kamen Rider movie episode 13, Kamen Rider vs Shocker. Wow. Oh my god, banyak juga. Hi, Kelvin here. This channel is about me creating stuff that hopefully can somehow inspire you to make art too. Before we start, throughout this video, I will ask a question, and if you are the first one to answer the question in the comment section, I will reach out to you and give you 5 ringgit worth of GrabFood gift card. So make sure you comment in the section regarding to the question. If you missed this already, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know when my video is out, because in the future I will be giving more of the giveaway. So I've been thinking to give away art stuff in the future. Art stuff means material, you know, art material like watercolor. Anyway, you know what I mean. This week I'm going to draw and pen a fan art that my friend requested. That is Kamen Rider or Mask Rider. You might seen it before as some kind of Japanese Power Rangers, but it is not. It is different. I watched this show when I was a child because it's on TV. You know, back then everyone is just watching their TV. Not everyone got their phone like today, or they cannot afford it. So my childhood entertainment is depend on what appeared on TV. Anyway, if you don't know the show, here are the short summaries. Kamen Rider, also known as Mask Rider, is a meta-series media mix of tokusatsu television program and films and manga created by manga artist Satoru Ishinomori. Wow, I can actually spell that name. Anyway, the Kamen Rider media generally features a motorcycle riding superhero with an insect motif who fight supervillains, often known as kaijin. Basically, Kamen Rider looks like this. This is the first one, and then it got more and more complicated now. So yeah, yep. I just proved that I am informative to you by reading the exact Wikipedia words. Nice, good YouTuber. Okay, let's just go to the process. I present it to you, Kamen Rider Fan Art. Like it or not, it inspired children to be children. They need that imagination to believe that such a superhero exists. I remember that when I was a child, I truly believed that a superhero does exist. I also remember that I would go out to my backyard and find like, you know, like stick, and I will find like the most unique stick that I can find, whether it's a bigger stick or like, you know, sword or something. By holding that, I can feel in my vein that I am strong. I'm like superhero, you know, I'm capable to do anything a superhero can do. Nothing can change me at the time. I feel strong, I feel invisible. You know, as a kid you can imagine everything. While I'm drawing this, it amazed me how people can create superhero character with such a unique power. I mean, by just looking at this idea of superhero rider wearing an insect-like helmet, fighting a villain for justice, what could impress more the heart of a boy than this? Such imagination to create such a character. I'm not talking about the Kamen Rider only, but generally superheroes or any fictional character that we adore. Now when you give me a stick, even like a toy dagger or like sword or something, it may not be the same anymore. As I'm growing up and become more and more logical in my thinking, it would be childish to act like a child. I also realized by expressing the idea of being superhero, I'm not only said to myself something that superhero can do, like flying, is not real, or superpower is not real. I tend to say to myself, being brave could not be real too. Fighting against injustice could not be done too. And protecting others is a childish act. And the real world is not like that. The reality is being brave only could bring trouble. Fighting against injustice is a waste of time. But is it true? Seems like I got sidetracked a bit from anything that would do to creating art, but all my point just now is the realities of the world somehow can take away or distract you, at least myself, from doing things that I love to do. If art is something that you love to do it once in a while. Be like a child once in a while. Not that you will go out and act like a child, you know, like be crazy all over, you know, 24 hours is not my point. What I mean is sometimes when you create art, you can be crazy about it. You don't have to think about, oh, am I being perfect? Am I doing good? Would people will like it or not? But just be crazy. Act like you don't know anything, or in other terms, unlearn things. Create for the sake of creating, not to find how you can fit into the world. Create because you wanted to do so, not because you needed it. Finally, I finished this painting and it took me maybe 6 hours. Okay, at least 5 hours. So yeah, hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because I will be creating more and more in the future. This is the video that YouTube recommend you to see, so make sure you check it out. Until next time, see you.